Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing the Levi Air Jordan 3. I'm actually looking for a pair right now that we're going to be discussing today, because there's a few differences in some of these pairs, right? Some of them are dropping to all of us, and some of them are exclusive to Los Angeles. Keep in mind, all right? They're not going to be dropping anywhere else. So I think I found out which ones are the LA exclusive. Let me see. Okay, perfect. Got which ones. Alright, now we got all the colorways down. We're going to discuss the 2 or 3 different Levi Jordan 3s that we have in this video today. Sorry for a little bit of the rough intro right here, but let's get into it. We'll discuss my resale predictions, if they're a sell or hold, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Make sure you guys just check out my website, restock down below. Use code WICK15 for 15% off everything, man. We've been restocking a ton of stuff every single day, and of course, make sure y'all check out the lives down below as well. I'm going to start going live on TikTok too, so make sure y'all follow me there, whatnot, everywhere if y'all want to, and my Instagram page down below as well if you ever just want to see some of the restocks we post on my story, or just check the site. Again, you'll see a lot of the stuff that we posted, a lot of new Valley Sports stuff, some new Spider. We also got some new sneakers, Gamma 11s. Just look at the shoes, man. There's some heaters that we just loaded today. Hope y'all be happy about that, man. We got some heat in for you guys, and those all ship again this weekend or right after President's Day. So I appreciate y'all's patience as always. Thank y'all for being the realest. And if you guys have any questions, ask me down below. I got you. And let's get into discussing these pairs. And of course, here's my little cat Luna. You can see we were hanging out last night. My cat, the chillest. We love Luna. Hey, y'all see her on the lives again shortly. All right. Let's go. Alright, so I feel like the best one to discuss right off the bat is the one that everybody has a chance to get, which is this one right here. Now, the LA exclusive one, we're going to get into discussing this one too, because I've been asked, hey, Tristan, can you please discuss this one? I got you. You can see there's actually, there's a few Levi Air Maxes, as you can see. They might be making, they might be dropping a few colorways of these. Yeah, as you can see, the 4 different colorways. We'll discuss all of them if y'all want. We'll just get into all of them. But the first one to discuss is the general one, right, that everyone has a chance to get. The one that's been promoted the most, the kind of original Levi denim color one, the indigo one. That's what they're calling it, Jordan 3. So you could say just, yeah, the Levi's Indigo Jordan 3. So taking a look at the resale prices that we have on these right now. Let's flip the men's sizing, since these are being made in men's sizes. Y'all see between a range of about, again, $300 to $320, which is, again, is not a bad price range. I feel like that's pretty good for this sneaker, considering that, again, they're going to make a lot of these. I just want to let y'all know there's going to be a decent amount of these out there. Aside from the LA exclusive pair, I know that one's fairly limited, but we'll getting all the separate details about each pair in a second. But if y'all want to know about this pair, again, I think the resale is going to drop probably down to about a range of $270 to $300. That's my personal prediction for this pair right here. Now, again, they could, not make enough of them on sneakers, and then they just stay at the prices they're at right now. That's my personal prediction. But the reason I think these are going to come down a bit more in price is because, again, you can see all sizes right now before their official release are available via express ship. That usually lets you know, hey, there's a pretty decent and available backdoor out there somewhere, because, I mean, if all sizes, again, are available on StockX via, pretty much next day ship, you know what I mean, before the drops even happened, I mean, what do you think is going to happen once more pairs come out and the drop actually does happen? They're going to drop in price, and I think these are dropping on the Levi's website as well. So just kind of understanding that there's, a few different, drops still on the way, and that these are already not widely available, but the backdoor's there. I think these have a bit more to come down in price. Not a lot, but a bit. So hopefully that makes sense, and kind of my opinion on the Levi Air Jordan 3. I want to just discuss this one briefly. You can see the sales are still very, very... you can see a beanie. I was checking out the beanie so far. But aside from that, that's completely aside from the point and off topic. Just look at the recent sales. You can see which ones are doing a bit better. Bigger sizes, going for more. A men's 12, a men's 11, a men's 13. Literally 10.5. Those are almost always the sizes that go for more. An 11, a 12, a 13. Just keep that in mind. You need to know what sizes to target. They will be harder to get, but which ones will flip for more? Those ones. Always the bigger men's sizes. A men's 12 is usually the money size. Just want to let y'all know. If it's not an 11.5, it's going to be a 12 or 11. So usually that's how it is. Or a 10.5, but that's pretty rare. Usually it's going to be a 12. Shout out my size 12 guys. Y'all got money. All right. And taking a look at this one right here, y'all can see this is actually the most popular one at the moment, the LA exclusive pair. You guys can see this is the only one that actually has that lightning bolt symbol. Look at this. No lightning bolt symbol. No lightning bolt symbol. Lightning bolt symbol. No lightning bolt symbol. So, see what I'm saying? This is the most popular one at the moment, and this is the one that did just release in LA. Now, they are going to be dropping a few more pairs of these at some in-store locations, I believe. I don't know which exact in-store locations. I'll try and link an article down below or something for you guys, or pop something up on the screen if I find anything. If there's nothing on the screen, then didn't find anything. But if you're in LA, basically just make sure you're checking your local retail locations, since these do have happen to be floating around right now in LA. Keep in mind, with All-Star Week, these are pretty popular right now. So you guys can see, look at the resale prices on these. Y'all can tell these are going for some money. So again, the most popular colorway going going for about $470 to $520. I personally predict these to come down maybe another $20 to $450, $500 on average. But considering that, again, they're not doing many releases for this, and look at what people are bidding. Look, the highest bids are up there, and they're very close to the last sales. That usually lets you know that a sneaker is going up in price. So personally, what I think is been one of the most promoted pairs. It's kind of been the one they've actually been showing quite often, even though it's the one that's like one of the harder ones to get. So that's why it has so many sales and why it's the most popular one. It's because the one they've been putting in front of us the most, but it's the one that we have like the least odds to get. It's crazy work. Why are you gonna do us like that? But hey, shout out my folks in LA that got these. If anybody has a pair for sale, hit me up. I definitely want a pair of these to review. If anybody got one for a decent price, hit me on my Instagram. I'd love to put them on my website as well. Just let me know. I might load a few of these on my site tonight. A few of them for, again, it'll be a little bit higher price, but if you want a pair, check it down below. We might have a few sizes locked in tonight, because I did have a connect on the Kirklands and a couple of these. I think it was either these or the indigo colorway. But if you want to check my site down below, there should be some Levi 3s there today. If anybody's interested in a pair, check it out. Maybe not these ones, though, because these are LA exclusive, so very, very hard to get your hands on at the moment. But again, these are probably just going to keep going up in price. I mean, they're not doing many pairs of these. This is the most popular one. I think they're pretty much done releasing these from what I've heard. I mean, yeah, look, 213 release. It's like pretty much already done with dropping this pair. They really only did it in store at a few locations in LA, and that was it. Very, very hard to get pair. Kind of like, again, the Kirklands. Only dropped those, the Costco SBs, right, at a few Costco locations, and that was it. Pretty much the same with this sneaker right here. Very limited shoe, similar situation. So that's my personal prediction on the Levi All-Stars. Is it a hold? Personally, I'm going to be real with you. I think if you want to take advantage of the market right now, where, I mean, think about what Jordan 3 normally goes for $500. I just want to be real with you. Again, I'm if you have a couple pairs, feel free to hold a couple. But if you have like 5, let's say you have 4 pairs, sell 2, hold 2. Very, very easy. You have 2 pairs, sell 1, hold 1. Just again, the bigger size, that's the one I would hold on to, compared to like a smaller size, like a 9 or 9.5. I would hold an 11 or 12 versus that. You know what I mean? Hopefully that's good advice and helps you guys. But just if you only have 1 pair of these now, and let's say a lot of your money is tied up in this 1 pair, right? Let's say you have like $500 and you bought this pair and it's flipping pretty good right now, and you have like another $200 to spend, but you tied up a lot of your money in this 1 pair right here. Bro, go sell this pair right now. Save the cash you make from this sneaker, right? All of it, and then put it into the upcoming drops, right? Just don't spend it. Just keep your money growing. You know what I mean? That's basically what I'm saying. So that's mainly for my new resellers. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this stuff. Like, you've been doing this forever, so you probably get it. But hey, if not, then just do that. Like, I would, if you, again, if a lot of your money's in this pair, sell it. But if you can afford to keep it, basically is what I'm saying, then keep it. I mean, this is the type of pair that's worth it to keep, just like the Costco SBs. If you have to sell it, sell it. But if you can afford to keep it, keep it. I mean, this is that type of pair that's worth keeping. So I just want to end that screen recording right there. The other 2 colorways, again, that I mentioned are sell nows, pretty much. I mean, just think about Jordan 3s, guys. Sorry, I got too much hair in my head. Hey, we're not getting a haircut, though. But aside from the point, just think about Jordan 3s normally. Jordan 3s tend to like go for like $250, $270. Right now, these Levi Air Maxes are comfortably trending at like $300, $320 before they drop. Or again, you can see some of them that are exclusive to like certain cities, like the LA one, are going up in price right now. But the other ones are not exclusive to certain regions. The other ones are dropping everywhere pretty much. So, I mean, I just want to let y'all know that's just a pretty good indication that I would probably sell most of these now, other than the ones that are, you know, city or region exclusive. So hopefully that helps and makes sense. Again, I'll leave all that info down below for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I know someone was needing this video. I got the Wolf Gray 5 seller hold coming tomorrow as well. I know you guys were asking about that video. I just wanted to make this one first, since the release for these is actually happening first. So I just thought, you know what, let's just stay like on a good schedule, do it based off like what's happening first and in order. So yeah, you see my cat's actually walking up on me right now. Here's another photo of my cat, little crazy girl, always doing her thing on the daily, but she literally does whatever she wants. Sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, like, bro, I have to focus for a bit, please. But you know, it's my cat. I'm not gonna get upset. So that's really everything I need to say. Check the website out down below. Use code WICK15 for 50% off everything. We should have loaded some of those Levi 3s for you guys today, so if anybody needs a pair, check it out down below. If not, just check out some of the new streetwear we loaded. We loaded like an absolute crap ton of new Spider yesterday, new Valley Sport, or Valley Sport, excuse me, I don't know why I said it like that. I guess you could say Valley Sport, whatever you prefer. And also some other pieces as well, some Supreme stuff. There's also some anti-social. Again, you can use code WICK15 for 50% off everything. Go ahead. Use it to your advantage. You know what I'm saying? Get the best deal you can. I'm cool with that. So that's really everything I need to say. I'm going to deal with my crazy cat right here, since she's literally... I need to just take a photo of this to show y'all this right now. Like, what are you doing, bro? Hey. So this is what my cat... You see what she's doing right now? Again, a little misdistracting. She's okay, though. We love my cat. She just does her thing. So that's it. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one. Leave any of your thoughts, questions, anything like that down below. And I'm going to go calm down my cat a little bit. Alright. See y'all tomorrow in the next one. Catch y'all then. Peace. Oh, and make sure you check out the lives down below. Alright, now we can head out. It's all in the pinned comment. Peace out, squad.